Hi everyone, welcome back to our Lavanya chemistry classes. In this session, we can understand the concepts of introduction of third group elements. The third group elements we are taken from P block elements grade 11th. Group 3A of the periodic table includes the metalloid, boron, as well as the metals aluminum, gallium and indium and thallium. So, the right side of the periodic table having group number 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. See here, look at the periodic table. In this, the group number 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18 are known as P block elements. We know these elements have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 electrons in their outermost shell. Outermost shell means valency shell containing these electrons respectively. The last electron of these group elements occupies position in P sublevel, that means P subshell. That is why these elements are called P block elements. Their general electronic configuration of P block elements is NS2 NP126. The group 13 is a boron family. The group 13 elements we are called it as boron family. It includes boron. The atomic number of boron is 5 and the boron atomic symbol is B, and aluminum is Al and gallium is Gm and indium is In and thallium is Tl. The boron is the first member of group 13 of the periodic table and is only non-metal of this group, and always forms, that means the boron always forms covalent compounds. All the other members are metals except boron. All the members are, that means all the elements are metals. The non-metallic nature of boron is due to its smaller size and high ionization energy. That's why boron is a non-metallic nature. The members of this family are collectively known as boron family and sometimes as aluminum family. Look at the tabular form. Element, symbol and atomic number, electronic configuration of boron family are: the boron is symbol is B and atomic number is 5. That's why the general electronic configuration of boron is helium 2s2 2p1. And aluminum is the symbol of atomic symbol of aluminum is Al and the atomic number of aluminum is 13. Their configuration is neon 3s2 3p1. And gallium is Gm, atomic number is 31 and argon 3d10 and 4s2 4p1 is the general electronic configuration of gallium. And next one in the boron family are indium. The atomic symbol of indium is In and the atomic number is 49 and their electronic configuration is krypton 4d10 and 5s2 5p1. And next one is thallium. The thallium atomic symbol is Tl and atomic number is 81. The general electronic configuration of thallium is Xe4f14 and 4d10 and 3s2 3p1. And neutrinium, it can be the atomic symbol of neutrinium is UUT. The atomic number of UUT is 113 and electronic configuration is radon 5f14 and 6d10 7s2 7p1. In this all these elements, the outermost shell containing 3 electrons. These are general introduction of P block element, that means a group 13 elements. Please subscribe and share and like us my videos. Thank you for watching.